Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create multi-step workflows in Todoist, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, let's open Todoist and go to our task list. Now that we've done that, we will focus on creating our project. Click on the plus Add Project button, type in your project name, and hit Enter. This is our first step because every workflow starts with a project. Next up, we'll add tasks. Click on the project you've just created and then click plus Add Task. Here's where you'll type in the task name and set a due date. This is crucial because these tasks will form the backbone of our workflow. Now let's create sections within our project. Click plus Add Section, name it, and hit Enter. The reason we do this is to divide our project into easily manageable parts, enhancing our workflow. After setting up sections, we'll move tasks into these sections. Just drag and drop the task into the section you want. This helps us because it ensures that all tasks are properly categorized, making our workflow more streamlined. Finally, we'll add subtasks to our main tasks. Click on a task, then click plus Add Subtask. Type in the subtask name and hit Enter. This is an important step as it breaks down complex tasks into more manageable ones. And that's it. You've created a multi-step workflow in Todoist. Remember, this tool is all about helping you stay organized and productive, so don't forget to make use of these features. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work.